As a content creator on YouTube, you may know how important it is to have good background music for your videos. However, finding the right music can be a daunting task, especially if you want to avoid copyright issues. Fortunately, there are several ways to get copyright-free music for YouTube, and in this video, we'll explore some of the best options available. YouTube Audio Library. The YouTube Audio Library is a great place to start your search for copyright-free music for YouTube. It's a collection of royalty-free music and sound effects that you can use in your videos without worrying about copyright issues. The library offers a wide range of genres, from classical and jazz to electronic and rock, and you can filter your search by mood, duration, and instrument. To access the audio library, go to your YouTube Studio dashboard and click on Audio Library. Free music download websites. There are several websites that offer free music downloads that you can use for your YouTube videos. Some of the most popular ones include MP3 Juice, GenYouTube, and YMusic. These websites allow you to download music from YouTube videos in MP3 format, which you can then use in your videos. However, it's important to note that not all music on these websites is copyright-free, so be sure to check the terms of use before using any music in your videos. YouTube Premium. If you have a YouTube Premium subscription, you can access the YouTube Music Library, which offers a wide range of copyright-free music that you can use in your videos. YouTube Premium also offers ad-free and offline playback of videos, as well as access to YouTube Originals. If you're not already a YouTube Premium subscriber, you can sign up for a free trial to see if it's right for you. Creative Commons. Creative Commons is a non-profit organization that offers a range of copyright licenses that allow creators to share their work with others. You can search for music on platforms like SoundCloud and Bandcamp that are licensed under Creative Commons, which means you can use them in your videos as long as you give credit to the original creator. Be sure to check the license type, as some Creative Commons licenses require you to use the music only for non-commercial purposes. Make your own music. If you're musically inclined, you can create your own background music for your YouTube videos. You can use free digital audio workstations like Audacity or LMMS to create your own music, or you can hire a musician to create original music for your videos. Creating your own music not only ensures that you won't have any copyright issues, but it also adds a unique and personal touch to your videos. In conclusion, there are several ways to get copyright-free music for YouTube, from the YouTube Audio Library and free music download websites to creating your own music. It's important to remember that just because music is available for free doesn't necessarily mean it's copyright-free, so always check the terms of use before using any music in your videos. With the options available, you can easily find music that fits your videos and adds to their overall quality.